As you see right here is a process to maintain a roof that you do not have to tear off. It's a 4-process system that will and can allow you to save your money and fit within your budget. First thing we do is we go out there, seal all cracks, seams, all that with a rubberized mastic. After that, we put a rubber sealer down, let it cure, and then following after it cures, we go about applying Title 24 cool roof coatings, and that is a 3-process system. This process shall last you, if you maintain it every year, shall last you up to 10 years. That is sufficient enough for time to be able to save money, work on projects within your maintenance programs, and so forth. This is Jeremiah with Sandkamproofing, signing out.